How to use giveaways to boost your online sales. If you want to make more money, then you need to give more away for free. This sounds contradictory, right? Sure, I get that. But in fact, this is one of the truest principles of selling, and it's for very good reason. In this presentation, we're going to discuss why that is. A free taste. Too many sellers make the mistake of thinking that people will buy their products because they tell them to. But here's the thing. You're not a particularly objective source of information. You can write the most compelling and persuasive sales pitch in the universe, but at the end of the day, it will always be compromised because it came from you. Your audience knows that you're biased and you have a horse in this race. Think about it. If someone came up to you and told you that they had the best watch in the world, that was more objectively beautiful than any other watch, and would keep the time perfectly, would you buy from them? Chances are you'd assume they were making it up. But if they were to let you keep the watch for a week, and you found that it really did change the way people looked at you, you might consider buying it. In other words, the proof is in the pudding. There's nothing like trying a product or service for yourself. So if you really want to convince people to buy from you, giving something away for free is the perfect way to demonstrate to them just how much value you're able to provide. Now they don't have to take your word for it. Now they can experience that value for themselves. This is a huge difference. Luring them in. The other reason that giving away something for free is powerful is that it helps you to draw more people in. This is why competitions are so popular, even when most people don't get anything. If you have something to give away for free, then you will instantly give people a reason to visit your website. That's what will draw them in. And then while they're there, you can use the opportunity to market other things to them. The best example of this, of course, is a lead magnet. This is a freebie that you give away in exchange for an email address. You use this to acquire email addresses, and then you sell to them. A sense of obligation. The other reason that freebies work so well is that they create goodwill. When you give something away for free, people will feel obligated to you. You did them a solid. And now they want to do the same thing back. In fact, studies suggest that we are driven by the desire to give something back that is twice the value of what we received, thereby paying off the social debt. This is why many store owners in the Middle East will begin their negotiations by offering you a nice cup of tea and giving your kids a free gift. Learn from them.